Hi everyone, welcome to Na's Kitchen. I hope you're all doing well, keeping safe. We have on the menu here today chicken stir fry with noodles. Without wasting much time, let's just get into the ingredients. I have here about 14 ounces of rice noodles. You can use egg noodles if you choose. This is just my preference. I have one medium-sized red bell pepper. I have here 2 scallions cut up. I have here 1 carrot cut up into slices. I have here about a head of broccoli cut up into florets. I have here 3 cloves of garlic. I have about a thumb size of ginger cut up. I have here 8 ounces of chicken breast. I have here 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. I have here 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. I have 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. So without wasting much time, let's get into the kitchen. Okay friends, so I have water in my pot here. I'm waiting for it to boil and I'll go ahead and put in my rice noodle. So after the water boils, I'm gonna go ahead, turn it off, and then put in my rice noodle and allow it to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. So yes, here we have it, waiting for the water to boil. So as we can all see, my water is boiling now. I'm gonna go ahead, turn it off, and then put in my rice noodle, because that's what it says on the instructions at the back of the box. I'm gonna put it in and let it stay there for about 8 minutes. So my noodles cooked for about 8 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead now and pour out the water. My wok's been heating up for a while now, so I'm gonna go in with my sesame oil. And then come in with my chicken. Go ahead and stir it up. Let it cook for a while. Then I'll put in my garlic and my ginger. So I'm still cooking my chicken. I'm gonna go in now with my garlic and my ginger. Because remember, we've not seasoned it. So let's just put it in and allow it to cook. Stir and let it cook for a while. So our chicken is okay now to start taking our veggies. I'm gonna go in now with my carrots. It's gonna start cooking our vegetables. This will take for about 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna go in now with my peppers. Stir a little bit. For about 30 seconds, and I'm gonna come in with my broccoli. Next, I fill up with my broccoli and my scallions. I'm going to go in now with my brown sugar. Stir. And then pour in my rice noodles. And then stir a little bit. So I'm going to go in now with my sauces. I have here my soy sauce and my oyster sauce. So here we have it, friends. We're done here.